Let's get moving. Outdoor group fitness activities. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a new topic: outdoor group fitness activities. This topic is an important part of the health and wellness section, under our basic vocabulary module. It's all about staying fit and having fun with friends while being out in nature. So, let's get started. In this section, we're going to explore some popular outdoor group fitness activities. Hiking, biking, soccer, volleyball, yoga in the park, running club, and boot camp are all great examples of activities that not only keep you fit, but also help you enjoy the great outdoors and socialize with others. Let's break down these terms. Hiking, a long, vigorous walk in the countryside. Biking, riding a bicycle, typically over a long distance or for recreation. Soccer, a team sport played by kicking a ball into the opposing team's goal. Volleyball, a team sport in which two teams of 6 players are separated by a net, and each team tries to score points by grounding a ball on the other team's court. Yoga in the park, performing yoga, a set of physical and mental exercises, in an outdoor park setting. Running club, a group of people who meet regularly to go running together. Boot camp, a short, intensive, and rigorous course of training, often taking place outdoors and involving physical exercise. Understanding these words is one thing, but using them in sentences is where you really start to internalize them. Let's try forming sentences with our new vocabulary. I joined a running club to train for the upcoming marathon. Every Sunday, we organize a yoga in the park event for the community. The hiking trail near my house offers a beautiful view of the city. My friends and I are forming a soccer team to compete in the local league. I borrowed my brother's bike for the charity ride this weekend. Let's enrich our sentences further by using some descriptive phrases and adjectives. Here are a few examples. The challenging hiking trail winds through dense forests and steep mountains. Our weekly yoga in the park events are very relaxing and therapeutic. The fast-paced soccer game left me feeling energized and excited. And that wraps up our lesson on outdoor group fitness activities. Remember, learning English is not just about memorizing words and grammar rules, but also about using language to share experiences and ideas. Outdoor fitness activities offer plenty of opportunities for you to practice your English in a fun and dynamic setting. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be able to express yourself more fluently and confidently. See you in our next lesson.